Trying to get the secrets of how to ace this track, and I think he's going the wrong way.
Hey, that's cheating.
Okay, bye.
That's off into a distance.
Like Zorro, but just... Where'd you get that, like, orange?
Oh, I don't know.
Huh. Fair enough.
Good gem.
This is definitely gonna, like, be put in one of the videos. I don't know which one, but definitely one of them. Behind the scenes, baby.
So, a little bit of context here. We've been kind of starting in the middle of the video, I guess. But we've been scoping out the track for the race tomorrow, Big Buck 2023. And we are on a decent sized hill climb. I can actually show you guys how big it kind of is. So if you stop, just do a little cut real quick. I'm gonna run down to the bottom.
Okay.
And then we'll do that.
As you can see, it's quite a decent sized hill. It's quite large.
Grr! That's my Subway Surfers impersonation.
The gym is paying off. Let's go.
Who is this Jim? Nice. See if I can do this one-handed. Oh, no hands, baby. Oh, oh, falling. Oh, slipping. You got me tripping. Oh, stumbling. Oh. Oh, I lost him. If a two-stroke was a person. What's that? And just me trudging in the back. You hope you fall? Why? Oh.
Holy crap, that's really deep. I don't think you guys will realize how deep that is.
No,
It's
it looks quite deep on camera.
That's like, hold on, let me. Here. Alright. Look at this. Like what, 4 seconds? 2, 3 seconds?
I don't know, but it's level with our playing field, and that's scary. My legs are tired.
Hello, riders. Hi guys, we can't afford e-bike. E-bike company sponsor us. I don't know which one's going. You know, so I typically just pick the easiest sports. Like golf.
4.
Blind GMCC rider.
Hold on. Where does the track go from here? We saw those guys like 30 minutes ago. I like how you said that he was waiting on us. We have like another 3 or 4 quarter miles. Oh, snap. Ah! No, I don't have my editing software on that anymore. Well, no, I have it. I just don't have an editing software on that anymore.
Well, I can see you guys all the improvements to the trailer that needs actually.
Yeah, we can add that to the video. That'll be fun. It's starting to get chilly. That'd be good for to eat right about now. Some chili.
It's supposed to get wet down to like 29 tonight.
Yeah. Oh, snap.
I forgot my sleeping bag.
We have like 10. Full send? No.
Yeah, no.
Oh, snap. No? Well, well, to be fair, last year I didn't walk the track. So it could have been this bad on foot. I have no idea. Oh God. Work boots. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Don't bust your tail. Not on camera. Not again. Oh, frick. I'm gonna put this in my pocket so I don't die.
I wonder what course we're on. Oh, it tells us here. GNCC.
I'm slightly tired. I should have worn tennis shoes. Hey! Why did that sound like a thwomp from Mario? Oh God.
Did you guys find if you ever got a lot? If you guys ever find some feeder like this that's dry and breaking off and tripping like that? These little pieces, you split them, make good fire starters.
The more you know with Andrew.
Just do like that. Just say those like last one for us. Okay. All right. So we got to about mile marker 6, and then we decided to come back up because we've basically seen as much as we can with this, and we're out in the middle of nowhere. Will can put a picture up on the map somewhere in the video.
Probably,
and you'll kind of
just a random X of where we might be.
Yeah, you'll kind of see where we're at. So we decided to take a service road back up to the closer to the end of the track because it's pretty much all the same out here. Nothing real spectacular. Well, obviously spectacular, but nothing real different about this entire trail. It's kind of just a big loop in the middle of the woods.
It's kind of, there's a lot of elevation changes, but
yeah, so we're trying not to kill ourselves.
yeah.
So we're gonna head back. So I guess we'll record when we're getting closer back.
That'll be cool. This thing might be
All right, guys, it's day 2. This is after the exploration. I think we're gonna take a tour of this trailer. Let's see. Thank you, sir. All right, let's see what we're working with here. What's the setup?
This.
Crank the lights up. Oh yeah. So this is what we've been doing in the trailer. We've installed some new walls, painted the walls. Haven't got the floor done yet. We got some lights. We got 2 bright LEDs in the ceiling. We got one up front. We got all outlets ran, dimmer switches and everything. Obviously all our hooks and stuff are right there. Drop cords, all that. Got new shelves. As you can see right there, they're nice and sturdy. Got a top one as well. Do that again for me.
Oh.
There you go. Ain't going nowhere.
Outlet plugs and an additional
outlet and a light
up there.
Multiple outlets. We got USB ports and the outlets back there behind that stuff you can't see.
Charging for this.
Yep. And all running off the generator. So, which is cool. So yeah. I'll go give you guys a quick little update from the aftermath of the race. So as you can see, that's basically our setup for the trailer. Nothing really changed the outside quite yet, but it's all good. Here's the 250 from after Gracie's race. You can see it was a little muddy, but nothing we haven't seen before, like Carolina Adventure World. Here are the other 2 bikes. We got the Raptors. Will's bike did good. No really any damage to his at all. Only damage to mine is I tweaked my front bumper. As you can see, it's a little crooked, but other than that, it went good. I think that's just gonna end off for today's video. So anything else you want to talk about?
I mean, what did you say so far? I was not.
Basically just updating on how all the bikes did in the race and if there was any damage.
Oh, did you talk about the hill?
Oh yeah, the Pro Hill.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the Pro Hill. That was definitely an event. That's always a good event here. It was crazy this year.
It was so much more worse than it was last year.
I wouldn't say it was worse. I think there was just more people.
Well, the reason why I say worse is because more of the stuff that wasn't as bad last time was more jagged this time, and that wasn't my opinion. That was mostly the other people that have already been there and seen some of the tracks and stuff like that. There was one guy come walking up to me. He's like, "I wouldn't do this for anything." So
you can see they got dirt bikes going on right now.
And that's the youth.
I don't know.
Like in between the micros and.
But I think we're gonna sign up here so we can just get out of here. We're packing up. Yep, I got the keys.
Yeah.
So we're gonna pack up and get out of here. I'll let you take the camera. We can get a cold start and all along. A dream.
Nice. So yeah, we just gotta pack up the rest of the chairs, the tires, the tables, the cooking supplies, and the generator, and then we're done. We're out of here. And it'd be kind of good to get out of here before the traffic starts to get bad. So we'll sign out here. Have a good one, guys. these guys make it look easy. I'm just saying, like, I know this turn was terrible for me. And they just rolled through it like a piece of cake.
Y'all created this thing.
Yeah, I know. Oh, no, I'm aware we created it. I'm just saying, they make it look so easy.
Look, it's Andrew, the monkey, in his natural habitat.
I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions all them times, I was hopeless. Now we the coldest.
Look, I've been trying to tell y'all since like 1-3. Got my soul up in the trunk, get my God got the key. Spirit trying to talk.